How to install Fabric on Minecraft. Hi guys, in this video I will teach you how to install Fabric on Minecraft. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. It's just pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So in order to do that, what you need to do is just first close your Minecraft and then head over to your browser. Then once you're in the browser, just search for Fabric Minecraft. So search for that. And then in here, you can see the official web page of Fabric. So just open Fabric right here. And then from in here, you can see this. So just click on download here in order to install it. So just click on that. And as you can see, here's the installation methods. Just click on this download for Windows. And then as you can see, it is downloading. So once it's done, what you need to do next is to open your folder. And then open this Fabric installer. And then as you can see, Fabric installer could not find a valid Java installation. That is because this is only applicable to Java Minecraft. So if you're in Bedrock, then you can't use this, but there's still other methods that you can do. So once you have downloaded that, just click on this install Fabric API. And then from in there, you can see this. So from in here, you can see the description, installation, instructions, and all of that. What you need to do next is to just download the file. So just click on files right here, and in here you can see the updated versions or the former versions of Fabric. So what you need to click on is one that loads for your game version. So as you can see right here, this loads for this specific game version, the 1.20.2, but since mine is only 1.20.1, then I just need to download this one. So what you need to do is just click on this. Click on download right here, and as you can see, there's actually still some things right here. So what you have to do is to just download it. So as you can see, it already start downloading. Here it is. So let's just wait for it to finish downloading right here. And once it has finished downloading, what you need to do next is just head over to the folder. So as you can see, it is now done downloading. So just click on open this folder. And in here, you can see the open folder. So let's just first refresh it. Here it is, the Fabric API. So what you need to do is just copy this and then head over to your run. And then just put %appdata. So click on OK. And then from in there, just click on Minecraft, and in there you can see the mods. So click on mods, and then from in here, just paste what we have downloaded earlier, and then install Minecraft on your launcher by using this Fabric right here. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to install Fabric on Minecraft. If you have questions or comments, kindly put in the comment section below, and if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks.